What makes your world go round? We are driven by the strength of steel as we strive to achieve excellence. With headquarters and an industrial park located in Blumenau, Santa Catarina, Brazil, Altona also has commercial subsidiaries located in Germany and the United States. We are celebrating our 100-year anniversary while continuing to be recognized as one of the world's best steel casting and machining companies. Altona's steel parts are designed for application in a wide range of industrial sectors. Altona steel can be found in agriculture, in power generation, along the tracks that connect us. We are part of infrastructure, mining, on our oceans. We are building a future, one that is truly inspiring. We are the driving force behind projects that improve the lives of millions of people. At Altona, we are consistently optimizing our processes and investing in research and innovation, ensuring the company stays ahead of demand. Our customers know that we are always prepared to offer the best possible products and services. Altona's concern for its employees' well-being and the environment, as well as our responsible management practices, has allowed the company to establish itself as one of Brazil's most sustainable companies. The company vision, established in 1924 by Altona's founder, German engineer Paul Werner, still stands today as a legacy built on solid values and an entrepreneurial spirit. Altona is reaching the 100-year mark as a modern and highly advanced company. We are preparing ourselves for continued success and look forward to being part of an increasingly innovative and sustainable future.